I wanted to show you an array of the tools that we have that we use for installation on any type of vehicle. My personal favorites are going to be this material measuring tape. I like it because it's got the magnets inside several areas of the material. You cannot see them, but they are in there, so when I'm measuring, it sticks to the metal so that I can measure properly. And it's safer because it's not going to scratch paint. The next thing I need for installation is going to be my blade. I like to use a black carbon blade. I like my blade holder to be metal. I don't like it to be flexible so that my cuts are done properly and the blade is not moving so much. The next thing that's important for my installation is going to be these squeegees here. These squeegees are brought into us by Onyx coating. So here's my small one, here's my medium-sized one, and then I have a large one. I love the angled cuts because it helps me install pretty much anywhere on the vehicle, and I'm never in a bind. If you're interested in learning more about the tools and installation, please sign up for our classes with Pure Luxury Training Academy or Onyx Coating over in Berlin, Germany.